CHZ generally faces our position at 20 cents in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. CHZ sort of acquired roughly 5.66% inside the most recent 24 hours in an in every way that really matters, large way. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the in every way that really matters, past week acquiring 21.59%, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. 09 December 2023, in this video we will by and large walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, truly is CHZ a truly wise speculation, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth, which truly is very huge. Yet, prior to plunging pretty profound into the CHZ specialized examination, in a real sense let us in a real sense discuss the really current economic situations, or so they generally thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,642,155,706,569, or so they for the most part thought. The by and large complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $68,939,985,961, showing how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the CHZ specialized examination, generally let us for the most part discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% incredibly. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48%, exhibiting that CHZ generally acquired roughly 5.66% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours in a truly significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time span, which in a real sense is very critical. BNB, the especially local coin of BNB by and large, is up by 2.84 and presently exchanging at $241.09, showing that BNB, the local coin of BNB, sort of is up by 2.84 and right now exchanging at $241.09 in an especially huge manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $76.08 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 6.43% in esteem, so CHZ generally acquired roughly 5.66% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in a very large manner. These occasions explicitly show that the market for the most part is going in a by and large descending heading for certainly transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a sort of broad essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, explicitly let us sort of discuss the ongoing economic situations in a fundamentally enormous manner. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market especially is going in a by and large descending bearing for kind of transient in an especially huge manner. Support essentially is a level at which purchasers explicitly become basically more certainly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large is very huge. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants sort of become move really dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, extremely further appearance, how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution, the cost of Chilliz, CHZ, basically is at $0.092, up 5.66% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and in every way that really matters, has a value change of 21.59% over the course of the week, so Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 132,399,089.00 United States dollars, while really complete market cap came to $703,443,044 United States dollars, especially further appearance how Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Showing how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an especially descending course for fundamentally momentary and in every way that really matters, huge way. There especially are practically 7,655,073,480 truly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888 in a huge manner. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for 09 December 2023, inside a kind of everyday time period, most certainly made sense of beneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Chilliz in a very large manner, as a matter of fact. The by and large relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin fundamentally is as of now floating at 28 for 14 days truly normal line, which sort of means CHZ generally is in oversold zone, and a pattern for the most part inversion in every way that really matters is conceivable, essentially further appearance how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20, or so they in a real sense thought. The Chilliz for the most part has truly break all it certainly upholds levels, and things really are not looking essentially great for the crypto market, further appearance how the Chilliz most certainly has in a real sense break all it sort of supports levels, and things for the most part are not looking commonly really great for the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. At present, for the most part bears really are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take CHZ cost underneath the critical help level of 17 cents, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The CHZ United States dollar moving in every practical sense, normal union and difference, MACD, marker by and large, is demonstrating a for the most part present moment, really sell kind of sign, as the MACD line for the most part is moving underneath in every way that really matters, signal line which fundamentally implies explicitly bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout. Showing how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. While CHZ's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, pretty sign for the most part is genuinely conceivable at this reach, showing how Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly is very